Hello students, the topic of this video is vector integration. It is a part of vector integral calculus. It contains three kinds of integral. One it is line integral, second is surface integral, and third volume integral. Today you are going to learn the first kind of integral, that is line integral. In this line integral, consider f bar be a function in terms of three variable, and it is a vector point function, and a one curve is given which is drawn from A to the point B, and this C is notation to define the curve C, and f bar is can be written as f1 I cap plus f2 j cap plus f3 k cap. Now, the definition of line integral is a integral which is evaluated along the curve C or a straight line. That integral is called line integral. So to calculate the line integral, a function must be defined, that is f bar. And this line integral is denoted by integration varies from A point to the B point and f bar dot dr bar. Here f bar is a given function and dr bar is denoted for a displacement. Student, r bar is defined for position vector. This position vector I already explained you in a previous video of vector differentiation. R bar is expressed as xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. So dr bar is written as dxi cap plus dyj cap plus dzk cap. So line integral is denoted by this integration. Now, students, line integral is also called a work done. So to understand the meaning of work done, imagine there is a one path is given which is start from A point to the B point, and one particle is to be placed at A point so that this particle is start moving along this curve C from A to the B after applying the force F bar on it. So to giving the motion to the particle, we must apply force F bar. So this force F bar, after applying on this particle, it start moving along the curve C, and it has come up to the point B. So after applying this force F bar, this force F bar is also called force field. So the displacement is occurred and the particle is start moving from A to the B. And of course, the work is done by the particle along the curve C. So that work done, we can also able to calculate with the help of line integral. So the application of line integral is to calculate the work done by the particle along the curve C. So here is dr bar considered as a displacement. In a work done, dr bar is also considered as your displacement. So work done is calculated by force into displacement. So force is here F bar and displacement is dr bar. So student, here sometimes the integral is expressed by integration from A to the B, and also line integral is expressed by just writing integral and C for curve. Both are the equal. Now, how to express the line integral? For that, put f bar value and put dr value in this formula. Now take dot product. So student, I am already explained you how to take dot product in the previous my video of vector differentiation. You can watch it to understand about the dot product. Now dot product is only I dot with I and j into j and k into k. So here is f1 dx plus f2 dy plus f3 dz is obtained here. So this is the expression of line integral. Now, how to evaluate the line integral? So to understand, there are three points to use in evaluation of line integral. First, it is point, express this integral as a function of one variable using the given equation of curve C. So with the help of the given equation of curve C, you can express this integral in terms of only one variable, and then evaluate this line integral easily using the integration rule or formula. So this is the first way to evaluate the line integral, by expressing a function, integral function in one variable. Second way is if given is parametric equation of curve, that is x, y and z are expressed in terms of third variable. Here is t is a third variable. So if this kind of the integral equation of curve is given, then integral is can be written as f1 dx plus f2 dy by dt plus f3 dz by dt into dt. So here is use dx by dt, dy by dt and dz by dt. So just put here values and evaluate integration again with the help of integral rules or formulas. Now third way is if given is closed curve C. Closed curve, its meaning is starting point is equal to the end point. That meaning is that if we start drawing the curve C from first point, then the curve is again come at the starting point. That means the initial point and terminal points are equal, then this curve is called as closed curve. For example, circle, ellipse, rectangle or square you can consider as closed curve. That time this line integral is called circulation, and it can be evaluated by integration of f bar dot dr bar along the curve C and just writing a circle on this integral. And how to evaluate this? So for that, refer this 2 points and evaluate the integration. Now take example to understand how to evaluate the line integral. If f bar equal to 2x y square I cap plus 3y minus 4x j cap, then evaluate line integral around the following path. Now here is two paths are given. One, it is parabolic arc y is equal to the x square joining the point 0 0 to the 2 4, and second curve is x is equal to the 2t square, y is equal to the t from t 0 to the t is equal to the 1. Now take one by one curve. So to solve this integral, first write f bar dot dr bar term. So it is f1 dx f2 dy. Now after writing this, easily you can take integration of this f bar dot dr bar. So take first curve here, parabolic curve y is equal to the x square. So student, here first way is to express the line integral in one variable. So here equation is y is equal to the x square. So y is expressed in terms of x with the help of this equation. Similarly, you can able to express dy in terms of x also by taking derivative of x square. So x square is 2x dx, and the curve is passing through this 0 0 to the 2 4 point. Now integral formula is f bar dot dr bar. So whatever here we are written in a previous step, f bar dot dr bar, that value put here and just replace y by x square. So this 2x is as it is and y is replaced by x square, so it become x raised to the 4. Similarly, in 3y term, fy is replaced by x square and 4x as it is and replace dy by 2x dx. So student, with the help of this equation, we will obtain a function in only one variable. So it is in terms of x. So we require to integrate in terms of x. So here x is varies from the first coordinate showing x value is 0 and second coordinate is showing x value is 2. So x is varies from 0 to the 2 and that is our limit here. And now simplified, open the brackets of this function. So we will obtain 2x plus x raised to the 4 plus 3x square minus 4x into 2x dx. So take in a simple form. So we obtain it is 2x plus x raised to the 4, open this bracket, it become 6x cube minus 8x square dx. And now this is a very easy to evaluate the integration with the help of integral formulas. So integration of x is x square by 2. Integration of x raised to the 4 is x raised to 5 upon 5. And integration of x cube is x raised to the 4 upon 4. And x square integration is x cube by 3. So here is, after taking integration, just put the limit. X upper limit is 2. So put here upper limit is x is 2. Then simplified it and here is you obtain 4 plus 2 raised to 5 is 32 by 5. 2 raised to 4, 1 2 is simplified with this 2 raised to 4. So it become 2 cube here and 2 cube into 3, it become 24. And here is also 2 cube is 8 and 8 into 8 it becomes 64 by 3. So after taking LCM of first two term, we will obtain 52 by 5 and after taking LCM of last two terms, we obtain 8 by 3. And after simplifying this term, we obtain the answer of line integral is 196 by 15. So student, like this way, we can able to calculate here line integral along the parabolic arc. Now, take second curve. It is a parametric curve. So equation of curve is x 2t square, y is equal to the t and t is given values 0 to the 1. So dx has become 4t dt and dy has become dt here. Now this is our formula of integral. It is f bar dot dr bar. Now here is equation is parametric equation because x and y are expressed in terms of third variable, that is t here. So we have to use second our expression, that is f1 dx by dt, that means whole values of x is put in terms of t and y value is put in terms of t, and dx also and dy also. So just replace in this formula x by 2t square and y by t. So we obtain it is 2 into 2t square plus t square, and dx value is 4t dt, and y value is replaced by t, and x value is replaced by 2t square, and dy value is dt. Now to become a simple one, so we need to open the all brackets. So it is 4t square, and this is 4t is outside, so it become 16t cube. Similarly, t square into 4t, it is 4t cube. Now this 3t as it is here, and simplified this, it become 8t square. Now combined together this first two term, it is 20t cube, 3t, and minus 8t square. And limit is already given, the values of t, it is 0 to the 1. And now integral term by term. So here integration of t cube is t raised to 4 by 4. Integration of t is t square by t, and t square integration is t cube by 3. And coefficients are as it is. Now put the limits. So if you put upper limit t is 1, then we obtain it is 20 by 4 plus 3 by 2 and minus 8 by 3. When you put lower limit, answer is, whole term is showing answer is 0. Now after taking LCM, LCM is 12 here, so it is 12. So numerator is become 60 plus 18 and minus 32. So simplified it, we obtain it is 46 by 12. So you can write this also in simple form, that is a 23 by 6. So student here, this is the value of line integral along the parametric curve C. So I hope all of you understand about the line integral. Thank you student for watching this video.